Are you looking for the best electric skateboards? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best electric skateboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Backfire G2 Electric Skateboard. If you've got a few extra bucks to spend, the G2 electric skateboard from Backfire does all the little things right. Thanks to its flexible deck and large 96mm wheels, this longboard offers a shock-absorbent ride for those who face the occasional sidewalk crack on their commute. The pair of 400-watt motors operate quietly, providing enough torque to accelerate and brake quickly. Even while braking at a moment's notice, the board decelerates at a pace that keeps riders comfortable and balanced. The remote control clearly displays the battery life and speed on a built-in screen, so you won't accidentally ride too far to make it back home on a single charge. The board even comes with a pair of knee pads, so if this is your first ever electric skateboard, you can start riding with a bit more confidence. Number 2. Meepo Mini 2 Electric Skateboard. Don't let the name fool you. Just because it's mini doesn't mean this doesn't pack a punch. Meepo's electric skateboard is a well-rounded cruiser that offers a top speed of 28 miles per hour, with 2 hub motors that operate at 500 watts each. That power is used for reliable braking and acceleration, while its 8-ply maple deck offers a balance of stiffness for steady riding on smooth pavement and flexibility for most of the small bumps on your path. The 30-inch board is also remarkably compact, allowing for easy storage beneath a desk or under a bed for quick access on both sides of your commute. And just in case you have any accidents with its remote or the board itself, Meepo offers a 6-month warranty that'll cover most damages. Number 3. JKing H2B Electric Skateboard. With clean, open wood in the center of the board and cut-out carrying handles on each side, this electric skateboard from JKing is as stylish as it is convenient. The e-board is made of 2-ply bamboo with 6-ply maple, offering flexibility for a smooth ride and a waterproof grip tape surface to help you keep a steady balance. Compared to others of similar build and quality, this option is also quite affordable. It may not be one of the fastest boards, but max speeds are secondary to safety. Number 4. Meepo V5 Electric Skateboard. With a longboard design and an IPX5 rated waterproof exterior, this e-board is great for a range of conditions. While we don't recommend riding it over dirt or heavy gravel, we found the board was incredibly smooth on uneven terrain and cracks. The internal shock absorption from the cushioned trucks and springy deck made it easier for us to maintain steady footing and stability. Even the acceleration was tailored to keeping an even pace. With its 4 different modes, newbies and more advanced riders alike can use the V5 as their everyday board. The slower, gradual acceleration on the beginner mode makes for easy ramping up, while the quicker, more responsive Pro mode is great for the seasoned rider. Number 5. Voyager Neutrino Electric Skateboard. If you're using an e-board for a commute, you have to be mindful of its size and weight as you'll be lugging it around all day. The Neutrino is light enough for that, and its small size makes it easy to store beside your desk, whether you're at the office or in class. It may have a low max speed, but its maneuverability through crowded streets may still end up shaving time off your commute. The board also comes with beginner and expert modes, which helps riders of all experience levels handle it comfortably.